Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. If you're unable to sign into Valorant and keep getting the error message, sorry, we're having trouble signing you in right now, then make sure you watch this video till the end. In this video, I'll show you all the working methods to fix this Valorant login issue step by step. Fix 1. Change DNS settings. First, press the Windows key, search for Control Panel and open it. Make sure View By is set to Category. Now go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. From the left side, click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on the internet connection you're currently using, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and select Properties. From the list, double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter. Preferred DNS, 1.1.1.1. Alternate DNS, 1.0.0.1. Click OK to save the changes. Fix 2. Delete Valorant cache files. If the issue still continues, press Windows plus R, type %localapdata% and hit Enter. Scroll down, find the Valorant folder, right-click on it, and delete it. Next, find the Riot Games folder, open it, right-click on Valorant, and delete it as well. Now restart your PC and try signing in again. Fix 3. Run Valorant as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut, then click Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and make sure Disable Full-Screen Optimizations is checked. Run this program as an administrator is checked. Click Apply, then OK. Fix 4. Allow Valorant through Windows Firewall. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and open it. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings first. If Riot Client or Valorant is already listed, remove them. Now click Allow another app browse and go to C:/Riot Games /Valorant /Live. Select the Valorant application, then add it. Again click Browse, go to Shooter Game Binaries Win64. Select Valorant Win64, shipping.exe and add it. Finally, add Riot Client Services.exe from the Riot Games folder. Make sure both private and public boxes are checked for all Valorant and Riot entries, then click OK. Fix 5. Reset network using CMD. If nothing has worked so far, this final method has helped many users. Search for CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. IP protocol configuration /release. IP protocol configuration /renew. IP protocol configuration /flushdance. IP protocol configuration /registeredance. Once done, restart your system and try signing into Valorant again. Hopefully, one of these methods has fixed the Valorant sign-in issue for you. If you're still facing problems, drop a comment below, and I'll try my best to help you out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.